What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. It is me, Anthony, and David, and we are here today for another reaction video. Now, today we have the one, the only Angelina Jordan.
Let's go.
Singing A Million Years Ago. Now, we have reacted to like 3 Angelina songs, guys. So if you guys want to go check those out, those are on the channel. They're probably going to be on the end screens of this video, so make sure you guys watch all the way through so you guys can watch the other reactions. Now, before we go ahead and get into this, we want to let you guys know that starting October 1st, we are going to be doing our reactions live on Twitch. So here it goes right here. Guys, make sure you guys click the link in the description, the top link, and go to our Twitch and follow our Twitch account if you guys want to be a part of the videos. We're gonna have the chat box on the video live, and you guys can watch the videos before they're even published on YouTube and be in the videos. So if you guys want to do that, make sure you guys click the link in the description and go to our Twitch and follow. So
yes, follow.
Other than that,
Am I facing the right way?
yeah, other than that,
Okay.
let's give Angelina our undivided attention, and let's get right into it. I expect nothing but the best from her because she's been OD every time.
But the best.
Let's go. Oh.
I only wanted to have fun, learning to fly, running to run.
Oh, yeah, I think we need to go back. What the hell?
Yeah.
You see how she went
started
straight
so
in?
good.
Yeah,
He started good, and then she started really good.
Is it just me, or did
I always forget her voice and how good it is.
I know, yeah. High key, she be surprising me every time. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
I'll be forgetting. I'm like, oh, dang, she's gonna really sing for real. But is it just me, or did the quality go bad like after 3 seconds in the video? Look at this.
So?
Look.
I only wanted to have fun, learning to fly, running to run. I let my heart decide the way when I was young.
What's going on now?
Deep down,
Sorry, guys. We want to make sure we give you guys the best quality. It kept going down.
Yeah, I don't know
All
why.
right, let's go. All right, guys. Sorry. Let's go again.
All right, reaction starts now.
Now.
I let my heart decide the way when I was young. Deep down, I must have always known.
Bro, her voice sounds so like warm.
Soothing, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like I feel like my chest is hot. Like it's weird. Like listening to that makes my chest hot.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to
I know what you mean.
the guitar player. He's getting in.
Yeah, the guitar player is doing really good too.
He going in on the feels, the vibes.
Yeah.
She is so like invested, like dude.
Yeah.
She got that feeling every time, dude. It's like how does she like, oh my god, how does she
she know? How did she give you that experience? Like I don't know.
Like I can't imagine how difficult it is to like express that if you've never felt something like that. Like how do you even go about doing that? Like
I really like how it's just the guitar and her. Like I really like that. Like it's nothing else, just them two.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah,
we haven't reacted to one like this before, other than maybe the Katrina one that was like just her, but it was like a backing track, not like an instrumental.
Yeah.
I like this.
I miss the air, I miss my friend, I miss my mother, I miss it when life was a party to be thrown. That was a million years ago.
Wow.
Million years ago, when I walk around off the street.
Guys, is the guitarist her brother or her
or just
are
someone
they?
she knows, like her friend. Like,
Yeah, do they make
you know what I
music
mean?
together
Like,
usually?
yeah, cause if you know if he's doing this, if they make videos like this all the time, then we want to react to more. Cause I like how it's just them two right now,
Yeah, 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 yeah. We
in
haven't seen one like
singing
this
this
though.
song. Yeah,
We haven't seen
we
a
always react to concerts, performances, or
nothing that this intimate.
mixed. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is
It's
so
really
good though.
good,
I
man.
really like this. I really like this.
Yeah.
Walk around of the street. Just of love. I feel like my life.
This gives me such calming
So calm,
vibes.
so soothing. Like I
I
could like
like. Oh, man.
if you just like you can listen to this before you go to sleep and you'll be knocked out quick.
I
Just like
know
just like that. Like
it's so
so
like
good,
I
man.
yeah, I really like this. I really like this.
Yeah.
I like this out of
Just of
her. I like this.
love.
Yeah.
I feel like my life is flashing by. And all I can do is watch and cry. I miss the air, I miss my friends, I miss my mother, I miss it when life was a party to be thrown. But that was a million years ago. A million years ago. Bye.
Yeah. Hey,
Bye.
shout out to Angelina.
Wow.
Go subscribe to her YouTube, guys.
Yeah, go subscribe, guys. That was
Right here.
amazing. Like
Dude.
just to be
Oh my
with her and that and the guitar.
This is
That
so
was just
damn
really good, man.
dude. Oh my god.
It was so genuine, so just like soothing and calming to hear. Like
I like
really,
the
I really like I love listening to songs like this by her, like the soulful ones, like the ones that have like so much emotion and meaning. Cause she can bring that out so well in
Yeah.
in all her songs or whatever. Like it's so good.
Do you know what? I feel like him being like the guitar guy being there helped like
It helped.
I feel like it
getting
helped
that
it.
that feeling.
yeah, cuz he was in the vibe too. He was like
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that. Yeah, no, that was good. He had a couple parts. It was just him, you know.
I know,
So
yeah.
he kept that mood going. He kept the feeling going, and that was good.
Hey guys, let us know who he is. Who the
To the guitarist.
yeah, is he an artist also, or he's just a friend, or do they
Yeah.
make music together often? Like, let us know in the comments. But
Yeah,
if you guys made it
please.
this far, thank you guys so
Thank
much
you
for
guys
coming.
So much.
We had 5,000 subscribers.
5,000. Let's go.
Hey, 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 hey. Thank you guys so much for all the support and all the love. Next stop, what's the next goal? 10K? Not
10,000.
10,000.
10.
Let's go. But this has been an amazing ride.
Yeah.
Thank you guys all for all the love. But before we head out, I'm going to remind you guys that October 1st, we're going to start live streaming on Twitch, and we're going to be doing all the reactions live on Twitch. So if you guys want to be a part of
With
those
you
reactions,
guys.
make sure you guys click the link in the description and check out our Twitch. I am Anthony OK. Make sure you follow the stream so you guys can be in the videos.
Yes.
We're going to have the chat box on the screen so you guys can say hi, mom, or hi, dad, whenever you want while we're watching it. And maybe some of you will get famous, so you never know. But other than that, if you guys made it this far, make sure you guys are staying safe. Make sure your families are staying safe. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Toodles.
Toodles, that's new.